Good day, my friends. Welcome to the channel. If you want to expand your store's reach and sell your products directly on platforms like Shopify, Instagram, TikTok, and others, we can add a sales channel, and it only takes under a minute. Okay, so first I show you where to find and browse available sales channels inside your admin dashboard. Okay, so log in into your Shopify admin, of course, and look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Locates the sales channels. If it's not here, go to settings, and there you go, we have sales channels here, and click on add channels. Okay guys, and now just click on open Shopify store, and in here you can just browse and search the app store for desired channel, such as, for example, Shop app, TikTok, or Meta. So say I will just type in Meta and find the corresponding app, of course. Then when you find the app, just click install and connect your account to authenticate your marketplace profile. Follow the quick setup prompts to sync your product catalog and confirm your account details. Enjoy.